Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? I said that for the 2020 peeps. If you're new here, welcome. Let's take this makeup off. I don't know where to start. Oh, here, I guess. Oh my god. That was not painful at all. I'm surprised. I know for sure the neck piece is gonna be painful. The neck is always the most painful part. I can't even get it off. Ah. My hair is in it. Oh my god. Oh. Such a small piece, so much pain. Calm down. Okay. There's still a piece here too. Honestly, shaving your face before doing SFX makeup comes into clutch because no pain here. But I mean, that's basically it. All clean.
Tiptoe by the window, that is where I'll become tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh!
He's stretchy, he's gummy, he's squishy, he's funny. D-O-E-Y. He's silly, he's gooey, he's sticky, he's gluey. D-O-E-Y.
Tiptoe by the window, that is where I'll become tiptoe through the tulips with me.
Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come up in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin.
Get on ready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. It's a gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
This one here smells great. Which one? Smells like Mother's crazy sister Kate. Oh, you think so? Yeah, I do. It smells so good. She couldn't have been that crazy. I don't think so. Oh, you don't think so, huh? No. Well, she put her poodle one time in a microwave oven to eat it. Yeah, to eat it. Oh, no. No, silly. To dry it. But it exploded. And they were both found dead. She must have been out of her head.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. I don't know why, but taking latex off of my neck always hurts more than my face. There we go. It wasn't too bad. Now the face. It's dangerously close to my hair, but it's not in my hair. I don't know how that happened. Nice. There's a little piece by my eyebrow. Yeah. Can't forget the lashes. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This took longer than I had planned because the parasites in me told me to turn it into a full costume, which I did. And now I'm overheating and I want to have breakfast. Okay, I think I want to start unwrapping my head if I can find an edge. All of these are tucked into other pieces. Okay, found one. This one should be easier. Ah! Oh my gosh, I can see with my other eye now. Not gonna lie, that felt like unwrapping a Christmas present if it was bad. Now let's take off the latex. Let's peel. Oh. Does this look even need nightmare fuel? Yikes. Okay, my full body is covered in paint and I do need to go shower. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh, nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything without one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing as a whole piece. So have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that. It belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Come take this off with me. Let's start with a bow. I think the rest is gonna come off in one piece. Or maybe not. Oh, can't forget the lashes. And of course, the nightmare fuel. I forgot my eyeliner was waterproof. I'm clean now, but my eyes are stained. I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers, and it's really late, and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. but I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero, like this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying, yeah. Let's do the neck, 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR, because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow.
Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Ow, that hurt. I recommend to not pull these things off. Oh. The joys of rushing, because I've got plans tonight, and I need to be there now.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Well, hello there. You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are. Like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower and you guys have an amazing day. I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like.
Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here. And here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower.